Hello guys, welcome to my Advanced Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox crash. An unexpected error occurred while playing the Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue of Roblox crash while playing the game, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to update your graphic driver. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here device manager. You can see here device manager. Just click on device manager. In this you need to find display adapters. You can see here display adapters. Just double click on that and select your display driver. Just right click on that and click on update driver. Before clicking search automatically for the drivers, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After that, just click on search automatically for the drivers. You need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this, just close this and close this window. After that, you need to try the second method. Close all background applications. For that, you need to just right click on this taskbar, or you can just press Ctrl Alt Delete. Click on Task Manager. Here you can see all the running background applications. You need to close one by one. For example, you can see the browser is running in the background. Just right click on that and click on End Task. You can see Task Manager is running. Just right click and click on End Task. Like this, you need to close one by one all the background running applications. After that, you need to disable temporarily your antivirus. Guys, some of the antivirus may block your Roblox while playing. Because of the antivirus, the Roblox may crash while playing. So you need to temporarily disable your antivirus and check whether it is fixed or not. Then the fourth method is you need to change the graphic quality of your Roblox. Just open your Roblox game and change your graphic quality to the lower. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you need to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. That's it guys. After trying all this method, hopefully your Roblox will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.